Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Atif and I am here to show you an amazing project Bluetooth based Arduino controlled car via mobile app. Now I am going to describe you the components required for this circuit. The very first component required for this circuit is HC05 Bluetooth module, which is really necessary for the communication with Arduino and mobile app. And the second component which is really necessary for this circuit, which you can say which is the brain of this circuit, is Arduino Uno. And the third component required for this circuit is L298N motor driver. You can see the left portion of this, these two shows to control the right motor, and these two shows to control for left motor, and these three pins are for power and ground. The next thing which I am going to show you how to connect HC05 with the Arduino module. You can see that VCC ground transmission receiving in HC05 module pin. It goes to VCC goes to 3.3 volt of Arduino, and transmission goes to receiving of Arduino, and receiving of HC05 goes to transmission of Arduino, and ground goes to ground of Arduino. This diagram shows you how to connect L298N motor driver with Arduino and motors. Left two pins of motor driver connect with Arduino to control the left motor, and right two pins of L298N goes to Arduino, which is to control for right motor. These three pins of L298N shows how to connect with battery. First pin goes to 12 volt battery, and second one goes to negative part of the battery. 3. This is the code to run the car using Arduino software. Start, you can see, including library and serial built-in functions to connect with Bluetooth module for transmission and receiving. Then in the loop section you can see while loop, and then data reading from data reading from L298N. Then for forward, these four line of code, 2 high and 2 low for forward, and opposite of this is for reverse. And then for right you can see 1 high and 3 low, and for left 1 high and 3 low. For stop you have to low all the pins of the motor driver. 3. Now I am going to show you the platform for making the mobile app for Arduino controlled car. MIT App Inventor is a really good app platform for this thing. You can see this is the MIT App Inventor platform. It provides all the necessities you want to learn, tutorial, get started, forums, and many more things. Now I am going to show you how I make this app. This is the design I built, and you can see that this is a Bluetooth symbol, up, down, left and right with stop. And now we are going to the code block of this block section. This is the code behind this design. You can see list picker, before picking, after picking, clock 1 dot timer having its own function. When button 1 click, what does it do? And button 2, 3, 4, and similarly for other. First of all, we have to open the Bluetooth. Then built-in app by me. Click this. MAC address of this HC05 module. it is connected, shown here. Now I can move forward. Then right.
Yeah. It is moving. Next, right. Move it right. Forward. Forward. Yes, moving.
Okay.
As you can see that it is moving.
This was my project.
Thank you.